This 2026 Elantra N just got the upgrade it deserved. We installed Autobahn black ceramic window tint at 25% on the side and rear windows, giving it that aggressive Factory Plus look while adding serious performance benefits. This isn't just about making the car darker. Ceramic film is engineered to reduce heat, block harmful UV rays, and help keep the interior cooler and protected. That means less strain on your AC, less fading on your interior, and a more comfortable drive year-round. At 25%, it strikes the perfect balance. Bold enough to enhance the sporty lines of the Elantra N, but still clean and refined. And because we install Autobahn, it's backed by a lifetime warranty, so the protection and appearance are built to last. If you're looking to improve comfort, protect your interior, and elevate the overall look of your vehicle, ceramic tint is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Call or text us today at 5702-214240 or visit dynastyAutoDetailing.net to schedule your install.